Champion na ulit ang ating Gilas Under-16 team sa Siaba Qualifiers. Patuloy nga ang ating paghahari sa Southeast Asia. Tinambakan lang ang Indonesia sa finals. So eto na nga ang inaabangang championship game sa pagitan ng Batang Gilas at Indonesia. Nasweep nga ng ating national team ang elimination round sa kanilang 5-0 record. Habang ang mga kalaban naman nga nila sa kabila na Indonesia ay ang tanging nakatalo lang nga sa kanila ay ang Batang Gilas. Kaya naman abangan nga natin sa game na ito kung makaka-resback ba ang mga Indo o magtuloy-tuloy ang pagdomina ng Gilas sa Southeast Asia. Grabe nga kagad ang intensity sa depensa ng dalawang kupunan sa pagsisimula ng opening frame, pero naging mainit nga ang opensa ng Batang Gilas sa quarter na ito, kung saan napapasok nga natin dito ang ating mga outside shots. Pinapangunahan nga ni Travis Pascual at Halyare ang opensa ng Gilas this quarter.
It's equally deadly. They're almost the same, so it shouldn't matter much. And Tanchi Mage, kick out, Cruz, corner three, that's in!
This Gilas team, the 3-point shot, but it's nice to open with 2 3-pointers in this game.
Couldn't get it past the defense. Offensive rebound, elbows flying, offensive.
Tremendous defense by Lumague, and then clearly gets
Pointers. De Los Reyes, the spin and step back. Off. Talking about Travis Pascual has entered the game, announces his
crowd excited with the rebound, and then he is going downhill. He is
fight. So I'm sure you guys are gonna wanna follow the stories of these guys, these boys. But Pascual makes him eat his dust.
The pick and roll. Travis Pascual this time finishing.
Halyare this time will attack. Halyare underneath, dumps it to Carino, who makes mincemeat of that.
Lamang nga kaagad ng 16 points ang Batang Gilas after ng first frame sa score na 21-5. Second quarter ay patuloy nga itong mainit na opensa ni Halyare. Tuloy din nga pagpasok ng ating mga tira sa labas na maintain nga ng Gilas ang kanilang malaking lamang this quarter, kung saan bigla na din nga nag-step up offensively si Carl De Los Reyes.
Him and Norman Black have been instrumental in identifying talent for Gilas.
We faced them in the preliminaries. Indonesia had 10 points off turnovers
in the beginning of the second quarter.
Saya again. Look at how he moved. 19 points and 17 rebounds. That was against the thigh. At different positions. Carino takes the three. A little bit of a disruption, but Gilas recovers. Here's De Los Reyes doing what.
Go for that rebound.
Tanchi, another three. Coach Mark said it. We needed De Los Reyes. So versatile. Look at that step through. Perfect way to play against the zone. Knock down your threes and then move that ball. Takes it by himself. No, De Los Reyes on a putback. Another rebound, another putback.
Guy who really picked up the pace.
Oh! And Cristiano barrels in. Look at that cut.
Lamang na nga ng 21 points ang Batang Gilas, 41-20 halftime. Struggle nga so far itong star player ng Indonesia na si Benjamin dahil sa mahigpit na depensa na pinapakita ng Batang Gilas. Third quarter ay biglang init nga dito ang outside shooting ni Jolo Pascual, kaya naman patuloy nga ang paglaki ng ating lamang sa Indonesia.
Players because of his length.
Here he is taking a three. Pascual hits it from the court zone. And that's been opening up threes. Pascual, one from the right, this one from the left. Pascual now involving Lumague, who finishes.
Point of attack, and Indonesia will not have a lot of shooters to be able to hurt us.
Gilas has been turning the ball over. Here is a 2-on-1 break. Can they capitalize though? Came out of nowhere and took that ball away. But Cristiano on the Pascual, they work a two-man game. And Caballero, despite being blocked, and of course for a decorated PBA player like him, it's basic, but right now it's a 32-point lead. Halyare, no one has been able. Gabe Norwood, always in attendance, mapa Gilas, mapa PBA.
Lamang na lang 32 points ang Batang Gilas after ng third frame sa score na 59-27. Fourth quarter ay patuloy nga pag-control sa game na ito ng Batang Gilas. Hirap na hirap nga itong Indonesia na makachempo ng run para makabalik sila sa game na ito.
To no avail. At the same time though, look at Antolin! Erase that completely! So, skills and nutrition, check na. Their effort to find the talented players in every corner of the field.
Sa huli nga ay panalo sa game na ito ang Batang Gilas para makuha ang championship. Patuloy nga pagdomina ng Gilas sa Southeast Asia. Ito din nga ang unang championship ni Coach L.A. Tenorio sa Batang Gilas.